True or false? Mr. A has rupees 20,000 in his account. He spends 25% on child's education and saves the rest, rupees 12,000. Means after spending 25% from 20,000, this remaining is 12,000. True or false? Here 25% of 20,000 is what? 25% means 1/4. Be fast. Equals to 1/4 of 20,000 is 5,000. So what is remaining then? 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000 remaining. So the statement is false. Next, a student scored the following marks: 75 in English, 65 in Hindi, 82 in maths, 91 in social science and 65 in science. Maximum marks in each subject is 100. Therefore, the net percentage of marks equals to 65%. Let's see. How do you get the percentage of marks in your schools? Add all the subjects and divide it by number of subjects. So, you add all these, you get 378. 378 upon 5 is 75.6. But what is given? 65%. So that is false. Mr. A brought 100 dozen of pens at rupees 20 per dozen. He sold one pen at rupees 2. Therefore his loss is 30%. Let's see. Here, forget this 100 dozen. This has no value in this. Rupees 20 for one dozen. So 12 pens at rupees 20. So each pen is what? 20 upon 12. 20 upon 12. 1.88. He sold at what? Each pen at rupees 2. So is he in profit or loss? 1.88 and 2. This is selling price is more than the cost price. So he is in profit. So the percentage, when the loss doesn't arise, what is the loss percentage? This statement is false. Okay. If you want, you can find the profit percentage, 0.12 upon 1.88 into 100. But that's not required. What is required is only true or false. So this is